You simply asked me to be there, and you're the only one who make me come running. So you got
Hey guys, welcome to my channel where I share easy and affordable beauty tutorials. Today I'm going to share with you all this new wig that I got from Unice hair. As you can see, it's like a highlighted type of brown unit. It is so cute and it is a glueless unit. So this is one of my favorite type of wigs, but this unit is actually a little bit different. This unit is their Bye Bye Knots lace wig. It is a 7x5 unit. And it's glueless, completely glueless, which is my favorite, but it is built really easy. This is honestly like one of my easiest installs. The way that this glueless wig was built is so that it's more comfortable and like kind of shaped more like an actual head. I know the older glueless wigs will just be like round, like a straight line up in here, versus this one where you can see it goes right here, dips down, and then has a cutout in the ear, not in the lace part, but actually in the wig cap. So this wig is super, super comfortable. I can definitely see myself wearing this wig very, very often. Not only does it look good, it feels really good. Right out of the packaging, it fit on my head very well. I did add, well, it's not glued down, but I did add a little bit of my lace melt spray to the top here, not because the lace was lifting or anything like that, just because I wanted to, and I am gonna keep this wig on. So I just wanted to add a little bit, but the actual lace looks so good. And again, this is their Bye Bye lace, their Bye Bye Knots lace wig, and it looks amazing. This wig was definitely one of the most comfortable wigs that I have gotten. Easiest wigs too. It did come pre-curled already, but I did decide to cut a few layers in it, and then I had to re-curl it after that. But it took to the curl so well. The hair feels amazing. Honestly, I have no issues at all with the wig. So far, just my initial thoughts on this wig is that it is really nice. If you're looking for a wig that, you know, kind of gives you some color, but not too much, nothing too much out of the ordinary, but still a little bit different, this would definitely be the wig to go. It is affordable, it feels really good, and it's really easy. Like, this is a wear and go type of unit. You get a really full glam type of look for an affordable price, and it is just wear and go easy. This is definitely a wig that you would not need help with installing. Like, honestly, I didn't do anything but put it on, and then I put makeup on the lace, and this is how it looks. So definitely a very beginner friendly wig. If you do have any questions for me about this wig or Unice, I've definitely ordered from them before, but yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Be sure to like this video if you like it, of course. Subscribe to my channel for more easy and affordable beauty tutorials, and I cannot wait to see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching this video.
Okay guys, so now we're going to take a closer look at the packaging and the actual wig. This is how my wig came. It does come with things that you'll need to install your wig, as well as some cute little accessories like this edge brush. And then of course we have our wig hair. So this is how the wig came. It comes already curled, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and the lace is pre-cut. So it is pre-everything unit, ready to wear straight out of the packaging. And as you can see, it looks amazing. The curls look good, the lace looks really good, everything is perfect right out of the box. So I did decide to just try it on as is. Of course, I started off with my wig cap. I do want to show you the actual wig too. This is how the wig is constructed. Very nice, very nice, and very comfortable. I did keep in the adjustable band or strap. I kept that in with this install today. So this is how the wig looks on my head right out of the packaging. No makeup, no anything, right on my head. As you can see, it is glueless. The fit feels amazing. I love the way that this wig cap, or I'm sorry, I love the way that the wig is constructed around the ear. It helps the lace not move. The wig just lays perfectly flat on your head. Everything straight out of the packaging looks good. So I do have a low hairline, so I do cut out just a little bit of that lace for my edges to lay since they are already low. And then I am just adding my foundation to the lace to kind of conceal it. I did also use a teeny bit of the lace melt spray while I was doing my edges, and then just in the middle there, because I plan on wearing this wig overnight. And you definitely don't need to use any glue though. The wig is a truly glueless wig. So I did start off with just brushing the curls out, because I knew I wanted to give this wig just a couple of layers, really nothing too major, very simple. I'm cutting just a little bit off. And I just wanted to show you guys quickly how I did that. Literally just cutting a couple of layers. Not much hair was cut off at all. So now you can see the difference with the hair being cut and the hair not being cut. Both sides look good. I just prefer layers, so that's what I did, especially with curls. And I also wanted to show you guys how I curled my hair just quickly. I used my smaller curling iron just to give this wig some fuller curls. I didn't want them too big. And the curls looked really good on this hair. This hair took really well to the curls. They held up very nice. I brushed them out 100 times and they were still pretty bouncy and full. So definitely worth it, I believe. The hair is super nice, curls nice, no issues with tangling, shedding, anything like that. Construction of the wig is really nice as well. So all around for me, like I said in the beginning of the video, no complaints. I really enjoyed this unit. I hope you guys do too. This is the finished look with the curls. I just wanted to show you how well the curls held up. I didn't use any pins or anything, and then I did comb them out with my round brush. And you can see just how well they're staying in the hair, even with me combing them out. So again, no complaints at all. I do have the links in the description box down below. Again, if you have any questions for me, let me know. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Again, links are in the description box down below. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video if you like it, of course. And I cannot wait to see you all in the next one.